Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, join me as I dig deep and uncover some mind-blowing Microsoft OS secrets that you probably never knew existed. These hidden gems will take your productivity to new heights, so let's get started. First up, one of my personal favorites, Windows Subsystem for Linux. For developers or curious power users, WSL allows you to run a full Linux environment on your Windows machine. Imagine running commands and accessing Linux tools without needing to set up dual boot systems or virtual machines. WSL is especially useful if you're dealing with open source projects or need to interact with Linux servers. It's truly a time saver. Next up is a hidden gem many users overlook, the snipping tool. Capture any part of your screen, whether it's a window, a full screen snip, or freeform drawing. But wait, did you know that you can press Windows plus Shift plus S for a quick snip from anywhere? Why download third-party apps when this built-in tool has advanced options like annotating, cropping, and sharing instantly? Now, let's talk about accessibility features. Microsoft has designed its OS to be more inclusive, and one amazing tool is dictation. You can easily dictate text by pressing Windows plus H and start speaking. This is great for anyone looking to speed up their typing, or for those who have physical limitations. Pair this with the narrator and magnifier tools, and you've got a powerful setup to assist users who need more accessibility features. It's simple, it's built in, and it's extremely effective. Are you the type to have dozens of tabs and windows open at once? If so, you're going to love virtual desktops. By pressing Windows plus Tab, you can create separate desktops for different tasks. Maybe one for work, one for personal projects, and another for entertainment. This feature is perfect for keeping your workflow organized and decluttering your desktop. It helps you stay focused by separating different activities. Next up is a feature that blew my mind the first time I discovered it, Clipboard History. Have you ever needed something you copied hours ago? Just press Windows plus V, and you'll see a history of all your copied text and images. You can even sync your clipboard across devices using the cloud. This is a must-have for anyone who does a lot of copy-pasting across multiple documents, presentations, or even between devices. If you're a power user, you need to know about PowerToys. It's an open-source tool from Microsoft that gives you even more control over your system with amazing features like fancy zones for custom window layouts, Power Rename for batch renaming files, and Color Picker for grabbing hex codes from any part of your screen. PowerToys takes customization to the next level and is a perfect toolkit for users who want to optimize their workflow. Let's talk about Storage Sense, a built-in feature that automatically clears temporary files, old downloads, and even unused apps. You can configure it to clean up on a schedule so you never have to worry about your system slowing down due to clutter. This hidden gem ensures your system stays fast and efficient without you needing to manually delete files. And here's another cool one, customizing your taskbar and start menu. You can pin your most used apps, change the taskbar location, and even add shortcuts for faster access. Want to move the taskbar to the side for a cleaner look? Go for it. These customizations give you complete control over how you navigate your system, making it more intuitive and efficient. Here's a lesser-known feature, Windows Timeline. By pressing Windows and Tab, you not only get access to virtual desktops, but also to a timeline of all the documents and websites you've recently opened. Missed something from a few days ago? You can easily pick up where you left off. This is a lifesaver for anyone juggling multiple projects. So there you have it, a full breakdown of hidden Microsoft OS secrets that can change the way you work and play. By mastering these features, you'll boost productivity, streamline tasks, and customize your system like never before. Let me know in the comments if you've got a favorite hidden feature or trick that we didn't cover. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tips.